Okay, this short video is about the project and financial planning, FINC 318. And, there's really two parts to that project, two things I'm looking for. One is you demonstrate or impress me with Excel, demonstrate your Excel skills, impress me with what you can do in Excel. And number two, present it in a professional manner. Very important in college, but perhaps even more so when you're working, and that could be very important. It's going to be very important for you to present things properly. So what does that mean? Well, it means a lot of things. One is that you need to create sentences and paragraphs and use the words that are appropriate for a college level document, communicate clearly. What I do is when I first write something, I put it away for a while, then I bring it back out and I read it out loud several times, tweaking it to make it flow better, to make it readable. That's a tedious process. The longer you do it, the easier it gets, but there's really nobody can do that for you. You're going to have to work on your writing skills in that way or another way in order to get good at it. It's very important in business to be able to write clearly. Very important to be able to express yourself clearly in business. And writing is big. We write a lot of documents in business, a lot of email, and a lot of documents and so on. So, in any event, um, in Moodle, at the end, when you're done with your project, you're going to turn in your project to Moodle, and it's going to be a Word document. And believe it or not, I mean, you're creating an Excel, a project in Excel, but you're going to actually turn in a Word document. And let me show you what I mean. And so now here's one thing you've created. This little spreadsheet. Of course, what you create should be a lot better than this, a lot more detailed. But so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to left click and I'm going to drag to the bottom. And then I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy. I'm showing you how to embed a spreadsheet into a Word document. And I come to Word and I open up a blank document. And let's say what I'm doing in my project is I'm creating a financial plan for Edna and Brian Jones. And let's say we're doing that. We're going to turn it in November 2021 or 2020, whatever you like. And you could put your name by, John Student. And down here, maybe put, Dr. Larson, Financial Planning, Ramapo College of New Jersey. You know how to do this. You guys create reports for college and high school and so on. But in any event, you're going to have your report, your cover sheet. And then somewhere down below on another page or something, you're going to be writing. You're going to be, writing about the next spreadsheet or the first spreadsheet that you're going to show me. And it says like the following spreadsheet depicts blah, blah, blah. And then you come down here and you want to put in that spreadsheet. Right click. Remember, we copied it. Before we left Excel, we copied it. Right click. Select Paste Special. And see this? Very important. Put in there that it's a Microsoft Excel worksheet object. That's what you should use here. That's what's expected. That's what I'm going to be looking for when I grade your project. And press OK. And there you go. And then you'll write on. And you'll introduce the next spreadsheet, whatever that is. But notice this. Remember, we selected Microsoft Excel worksheet object or whatever it was when we pasted that in there. Take a look at this. When I go back to this and I double click it with the left button on the mouse, it's created a new document that's attached to this document, and that enables us to, go back and make changes if we wanted to. But it enables me to look at what you did. Look at, what did you actually do to create that spreadsheet? See how you see these formulas in there? I want to look at that. And so that's how you need to put this in to Excel. So what did we do there? We right-clicked, paste special. Yeah, Microsoft Excel worksheet object. That's how you want to bring everything over. And so this video is short, but it gives you an idea of what's expected. Again, be sure your project is, number one, impress me with your Excel skills. And number two, present it clearly. Make a very good-looking paper that's well presented. That the words are right. There's no editorial mistakes. That you lay it out in a professional manner. That's crucial as well as giving me good content. So, what could you do? What could you do is you could make up a fictitious family, and what would you do? You do their taxes, and that's what we did first in the course. You do their taxes. Then you would create a fictitious balance sheet and income statement, do the ratios, and then you would do, what did we do after that? Like maybe talk about some investment stuff. Then, look at their retirement plan. Are they on track for retirement? And then maybe they have a little daughter. She's going to, 3 years old. We want to save for college. Remember we did that, the 529 plan. And then maybe one of the parents dies, like a 75-year-old parent. The grandparent of the little daughter dies, and take us through some estate planning stuff, which we covered at the end of the course. That's an idea of what you can do for your Excel project. When you're trying to make an impressive display of your use of Excel. In any event, this is the end of this video. And of course, you could always ask me questions as you're creating your document. Ramapo, as you know, is a small college, so a reason for coming to a small college is to have contact with your professors, and I certainly hope you take advantage of that and ask me questions that you may have as they arise as you're putting this project together. Thank you.